prices once again climbing in the Phoenix market. We are just about into the peak of home buying season, and local attorney Adam Buck is here to tell us why it's a great time, especially for first-time home buyers.
Right. There's really three factors going on in the market right now. The first one is we've got low interest rates, historically low. Right now you can get a 30-year fix for 4%. Other factor is we've got home prices that are increasing. Last year, for example, increased by 20%. Now, we also took a dive, so we're not entirely back up to ground zero.
Right.
So we've got that. The other factor is that you get more and more homeowners that were pushed to rental markets. So in the short sale and foreclosures, when those happened, it pushed people to rental markets. The rental markets are increased, the pricing, and so now it's actually cheaper to buy than to rent.
Well, if home prices are rising, that's probably good news for sellers. And buyers right now, if the home prices are rising, the market's probably a little bit competitive out there for them.
That's right.
So what would the benefit, there are of course tax benefits to buying, so what would those be?
The tax benefits, you've got the mortgage interest deduction and the property tax deduction. So any amounts that you pay as a homeowner on your mortgage interest can be deducted from your taxes. You can also deduct any amounts paid in property taxes.
Okay.
So at the end of the year, you either get a larger refund or you pay less to the government.
Okay.
Well, there's actually one other benefit that's huge. When you go to sell the home, as long as you've lived in it for 2 years, you get to keep all of the profit without paying any taxes.
Oh, okay.
So that's up to $250,000 if you're single, and up to $500,000 if you're married.
Are there legal benefits as well to purchasing a home?
The main legal benefit is the homestead exemption. In Arizona, we have a $150,000 homestead exemption, meaning you can have $150,000 in equity in your home that's totally protected from creditors. So it's kind of a simple asset protection strategy that homeowners can take advantage of.
Okay. Any advice on how to maximize your investment in 2013?
Well, do your research. It's very competitive out there.
Right.
Properties are receiving multiple offers, and so you don't want to overpay. So understand the market that you're in. Something important to know, look at your credit report to understand what your credit score is before you go apply for the loan. A lot of people are applying and then finding out that they have issues. Could be their own, could be someone else's. And if you look at it in advance, then you're able to correct those before you go apply for the loan.
Really appreciate your time this morning.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, the Fruitkin Law Firm has 2 locations in the Valley. You can reach Adam or the other attorneys or give them a call. Their website is fruitkinlaw.com. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.